Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and today I'm presenting you our absolutely beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible 289 with factory air conditioning. Yes, this car is Raven Black with a white convertible top, and it is truly stunning. For anybody who has or hasn't been following MS Classic Cars, please note that we only collect number 1 and number 2 condition, show quality inventory. We have almost 1,000 vehicles to reference on our website sold page at msclassiccars.com. We take great pride in servicing every vehicle that we sell. They all need a ton of service work, regardless of how beautiful they are. We document the work with an invoice, as we've done with this car, and then of course we spend countless hours detailing them. My first classic car was a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. That is when I got bitten by the classic car bug. I've been a huge fan of the first generation Mustangs ever since. I am a proud member of the Mustang Club of America, and we have had some special cars here. First car that comes to my mind, we had the 66 Mustang that was built for Ken Miles that we sold at Barrett-Jackson just a few years ago. And recently, we just sold a 64.5 Ford Mustang Convertible that was a multiple gold award-winning car in the thoroughbred class at the MCA, one of the top 5 best cars in the country. Again, it was extremely nice. You got to check those cars out on our website. So getting to this car here, the point of me referencing all that is I know a beautiful car when I see one. This is one of the nicest Mustangs that we've ever had and that I've ever seen. Sometimes, as great as Corey's photos are, as good as this video is going to be, you cannot capture the beauty of a car until you see it in person. That is the deal with this car here. This car is so straight. The paintwork is so beautiful. It's so crisp. It truly looks like it was restored today. On the subject of the restoration, I'd like to dedicate this whole deal to the gentleman who actually was responsible for this. He purchased this vehicle in 1979. His name is Peter Vander Veen. We have his obituary here. Again, you can check this out on our website to see his picture and his story. But he purchased this car in 1979. It's fully documented. I spent hours and hours organizing all these receipts. I put everything in date order. It wasn't until the late 1990s, it was 1997 to be exact, Peter had decided to do a very extensive nut and bolt correct restoration to MCA guidelines for judging and things of that nature. From 1997 to like 1999, I would probably say that about 80% from my research of the car was fully restored. And then it was kind of an ongoing restoration all the way up until almost before he passed in 2020. So I would not say that the car was fully completed in the late 90s. Most of it was, but again, it was ongoing. During that time frame, he did show the car with his wife, Barbara. There was a lot of stories online that I read about the two of them and how well they were known in the MCA community for going to shows and just being really great people, and just a couple that everybody just kind of fell in love with, if you will. Kind of touched my heart when I read the bio on him. So again, check that out. But again, this car had achieved some awards from the MCA back in that time frame. Unfortunately, I don't have those. I do have a few of the judging sheets and some documentation to support that the car went through the system, but I don't have any awards. I do know the car also participated in some concours d'elegances, again, throughout all that time frame. In 2021, after he passed, he sold the car to a gentleman that was in the local area that knew about it. That was, his family that sold it, because Barbara had passed prior to that as well. I think it was like in 2015. So anyway, he purchased the car, and then him and his wife actually took it to a couple of shows, including the MCA, and they actually got a silver award. He said, Mark, the only reason we didn't get a gold award is because they kind of picked apart some of the fact that the car was a little dirty here and there and so forth. But the car recently just scored a silver award through the MCA, which is included, and that was in 2023 in Indianapolis. So again, this is an award-winning car. It is a concours restoration, one of the best examples that we have ever had at MS Classic Cars. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to just walk around the car here and just highlight any imperfections that I see that's worth noting here. The guys have done a great job detailing this. As I said earlier, this car presents like new. It is truly stunning. So we'll start with my LED flashlight, and I'm just going to kind of go over this car. There are a few little spots that could just be dust. Again, there's a little tiny imperfection there, okay? And again, this paint is really deep. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, there's a couple of pin size, little tiny imperfections there. I'm just gonna be a little bit picky here because this is the type of car that you wanna be picky on. Down here, all of this presents like new. These GT style front grille with the fog lights, the bumper. What Corey and I did is we put mirrors around this car as if it was being displayed at a car show, just to show you how beautiful this undercarriage is. You can see all of our photos on our website of the undercarriage, again, msclassiccars.com. Even the headlights are correct here for the car. Why we're on the front of the car rather than coming to this area at the end, I think I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you now. But even the way this hood opens is beautiful. Look at the underneath of the hood and how detailed it is. Look at how beautiful that firewall is. It's absolutely stunning. The cowl area, these inner fenders are in beautiful condition. My guys in service said it's one of the best first generation Mustangs we've ever seen as far as how all of the pinch wells were done and how they assembled everything during the restoration. But this is absolute jewelry. Once again, I've owned some of the best first gen Mustangs of all time, and this is one of the best cars I've ever seen. I mean, the attention to detail is second to none. Again, everything was done very accurately to MCA specifications. Again, you'll see your power brake booster there, your chrome valve covers, all the correct stickers, chrome air cleaner. Again, factory air conditioning that has been converted. It blows ice cold. We went through all of that in our service department. You can even see over here the coil with the sticker on the coil. You can see the auto light on the alternator. Even this battery, this is not a topper. This is one of the reproduction auto light authentic looking batteries. Everything about this car is absolutely stunning. Even the stamps are on all the hoses. It's got the Ford wiper bag here. Manifolds. I mean, you can just see this in our pictures. It is absolutely stunning. And it opens and closes so nice. Look at this, a pinky. And when you open this up, it is so nice. It's just so effortless. Look at this. All right. Walking away to the driver's side fender here. Again, little tiny thing there. And these are not necessarily all like a little chip or something. They could just be a little nib in the clear. But I just want to again mention any scratches. There's a little bit of oh, I was going to say road rash. It's actually just dust. Okay, beautiful. The emblems, these wheels here. I love these chrome mag style wheels. It's got the white wall Hankook tires, which are awesome. When you get up here to the cowl area, even deep inside this grille, area underneath has been fully restored and it's beautiful. All the bright work is awesome. Again, the top fits really nice. We've had this top down multiple times. It is a power convertible top, and you can see how wrinkle-free it is, which is great considering when the restoration was done. The glass is in beautiful condition. I'm going to show you a few things in the interior here in a second, but you'll see all of the Carlite stamps in the glass, mirrors, both sides, new door handles, obviously. Everything on this car was restored or replaced new. I don't see any imperfections on the door. Again, Corey can take the camera and show you the undercarriage. Look at how beautiful those floors are. Look at those pinch welds. You can just see the stampings. It's stunning. It's got the correct red oxide primer with the overspray in black. Just an absolutely gorgeous car. These are the door edge guards here. This quarter trim is in beautiful shape. Again, beautiful. Looks like this car was done seriously in the last 6 months to a year. It's that nice. And look at how nice this door opens. Look at this. Barely even, look at it. So nice. Now when you look at the inside of this interior here, you'll notice that every single thing is new. We do have an envelope full of all the original instructions and so forth. So when you do go to a car show, you can hang all of those items on the sun visors. There's one now on the rear view mirror, you know, hang it from the climate control system and so forth. But again, you can see all of that. You can look at our photos, and again, I don't think it really does this car justice. The dash, the brightness of the gauges, it's got the rally pack, you know, obviously a full center console, you got that air conditioning system there, you got seat belts. Again, everything is basically in absolutely beautiful condition. I did order a brand new set of black floor mats with the Mustang logo that's on the two front driver and passenger side that we will be putting in the car before it leaves for the new owner. But again, make sure to go to our website and check out all the photos of the interior of this car. The rear here is in beautiful condition. Again, look at this. And we've only had this top up for, you know, a short time, and look how tight it is and how nice everything is done here. Love the luggage rack. Gives this car a little bit of that character. Again, super straight body, gorgeous paint. We make our way over to the rear deck lid here. There's a little tiny imperfection there. Again, size of a pen tip. Is there somewhere, Corey, back here that you had said to mention? Oh, right here. So right here, there's a little spot there and there. Again, those are very minor when you look at them, but they're there. When you get down here to the tail panel, this was a item that they added. Again, this car's got some really cool accessories that were dealer installed in the interior, like that compass, some other things. It even has a tissue holder that Corey demonstrated in the other video that we have. But look at these gap lines back here. People that know Mustangs know sometimes how hard it is to accomplish these type of gap lines. Look at this. Super nice. Look at how the bumper, look at the gap between the bumper and how evenly it's placed. It's really tough with Mustangs to get them at this level here. Look at these sharp lines. So getting into the rear quarter, again, I don't see anything worth mentioning here. Remember, I'm not pulling out my magnifying glass, so I might have missed a little thing here or there. I'm just trying to give you a good sense of the quality of this car. Again, the power top works really nice. It's super tight. All new trim, rocker panel trim, door edges. Look at this. Look how nice this opens. There's that tissue dispenser that slides out. Again, make sure to check out the other video that Corey had done. He kind of demonstrated a lot of the features, but look at the thickness of these seats. Again, it looks like it was done yesterday. Everything is just so nice with this car. Door panels, everything. Nice and tight. Again, it's got mirrors on both sides. Here's a few stickers that were added, again, to the vehicle for judging purposes. The famous MS Classic Cars sticker that we add to all of our vehicles once it goes through our process. That's kind of the last thing we do to put our stamp of approval on it. Again, beautiful condition. I don't see anything worth mentioning. Even the antenna's brand spanking new. Again, look at how nice these body lines are in here and these gaps. A lot of times Mustangs, the doors just by nature will overhang a little bit here. Look how nice that is. Again, look at the undercarriage. Check that out. This car absolutely should be displayed at car shows with the mirrors underneath it because it deserves to. And again, just coming over to the passenger front fender here, no imperfections to speak of on the side. There is a little star here in the paint. I probably would say of all of the imperfections on the car, that's probably the worst one. But you could take a Sharpie. We didn't do that, but I can for the new owner, or the new owner can do it and just kind of fill it in. It might come off when you detail it next time, but you can continually do that. But that's probably the only thing other than what I've shown you worth mentioning. Okay, so to conclude this video here, we would ask to go again on our website at msclassiccars.com, read the highlights, read the description that we've written, look at all the photos that we provide, almost 200 photos, watch the videos. We will be doing a driving video at some point next week. This vehicle is a very, very special car. It's extremely important to read and understand how special it is. I will assist the new owner with enclosed shipping in the 48 states. Once the vehicle is inside the trailer, we will wrap it in plastic to make sure that it arrives at your doorstep as clean as it left here today. I even provide our customers with a few new microfiber rags that are specially designed for cars that have the paint work and so forth that our cars do. So that will be included. There's a brand new Tupperware container that has everything that's included, the car cover, the award, the binder with all the information. So please sign up for our VIP newsletter email to get updates. It's the best way to follow MS Classic Cars. We would ask that you please follow us on social media as well. We are on all the social media platforms. We look forward to earning your business. If it's not on this car, hopefully it's on a car in the future. Appreciate you watching, and as always, rock and roll.